This is just a lot. It is midnight. We need to get some rid of clothes. Wait, what? But we are cleaning out my closet and decluttering it and maybe finding stuff that I can sell and donate and give away. Yeah, maybe you guys can do this with me. Just have the video up and clean out your closet. If you want to see me clean out my closet and declutter it, just keep on watching. I've not worn these since like winter. These are my other winter slippers. Don't pull anything out that has to deal with summer. Sticky cups! Cups down! Uh-oh. I guess we're gonna have to do swimsuits because it's on the top. They're very, very, very cheeky. We got these. These are very cheeky. I'm probably sure I'm gonna keep. There's a set. These are from Black Bow, I think. There's this one. This one's from Hollister, yes. These are so old. Like, back when they had the lettuce trim style for a very long time. Yes, for these. This one is from Urban Outfitters, I think. When I got it, it's really cute triangle. The only thing is, kind of have a big bust, so they're kind of they just show a lot. This one's like really rised up. This one's really cute. Where did I get these? Hollister. More of the hipster vibe. I'll keep. This one was from Pink. Keep. Forgot I had this. This one's really cute. Probably gonna use this one this summer. Like this. Keep. Keep again. Oh my god. I might have to keep this whole thing. Keep. I'm gonna keep it, but I feel like I won't wear it because it shows a lot. From Pink Victoria's Secret. The only thing of these things are really tight on me, and I really like it. I think it's a size medium. That's the only thing, and I don't know. I'm gonna have to try this one on. So that one's a Meili. Yeah. This one's from Hollister. The cover-ups. The cover-ups are probably I can keep. Another pink one of my favorites. This one is a scallop bandeau. Might have to retry this one on. This is a large. I wanted a medium back then, but we will see. This one's a triangle bikini. Maybe not. This one's from Pink. Tie-dye. Gonna keep, never used. I'm gonna have to try this one on as well because it is a set. Oh, this one matches with the other one. This one is from, I don't even know. I don't know what brand is this. Kind of remember, kind of don't. Doesn't have any like, it's all wrinkled. I don't think I've ever worn it. The pads are a little bit off. I'm just gonna have to fix it. You guys probably are like, what the heck is that? But it goes like this. It's like a bandeau. You tie it in the middle. Like this. This is an extra large. Cannot wear. It's gonna fall off. I don't even remember where, but size large. I'm gonna have to try these on. Zarful. Never heard of it. And this is like the neoprene thingies back in the 2000 and like 10s era. Is this thing breaking? This one's from Hollister. This is huge. I don't know why I bought it. Black Bow. This is really cute. This is a one piece. Damn, I'm just taking all of them. One piece. I don't think I've ever worn it. Probably never gonna wear it. One piece or set from Hollister. I don't like the thing of it. I'm gonna have to try that one. This size is large. I'm gonna have to try this one. Like this. Bottoms for the other one. And I do have another one of these. I think this was a different size. Yeah. I'm gonna try this one on. I'm gonna use this as my going to sell pile. This still has its tags, so I'm gonna sell it. Or we'll see whoever wants it. Eggy outfit. Whoops. I can like the early, maybe the 2010s. Man, these are so old. The top doesn't fit me. Pants don't fit me. I remove its tags. I don't know what I was thinking back then. But yeah, this don't fit. Here's this big, wow. This is actually a medium, I believe. Yeah, it's a medium, but the tatas area look freaking huge. It shows a lot for me, so I'm gonna sell that one. Fox Buster, or corset, bustier, or whatever they're called. I only worn this once for a picture, and then I never worn it ever again. So I'm gonna sell that. Here is a Shein top, never worn. Here's a meshki. This was from the Amber collection. This was one of my favorites. It's missing a button, so get rid of it. Or I can find another one. Here's some old tie-dye shirts. Here is the other bikini sets that I love from Triangle. I think I got it for like my 19th birthday, or I also do have it in red, another style, and another cup one in the sparkly blue. This, I bought this in Zara, but it was too big for me. I don't know why I just didn't return some of these stuff. Here's a dress. Oh, the top part didn't fit me. A Zara mini skirt. I love this, but it did not fit. I think it just had too much on it, and it looks like this. It's so cute. I wish I could fit it, but it's not gonna fit on me. Only worn it, probably have worn it, and that's it. And they're like homemade crochet little toppies, and they're so cute. I just never worn it. Here is a IMG top, I think. Does anyone really use sticky bras? Huh? Keeping. They're dresses, so I'm gonna try to still wear some. This is cute, but I know it's gonna be hot, but whatever. I like black. I like wearing a lot of black. Another bag in a bag. Let's see what's in here. A bag. And headphones that I used for a Halloween costume. I'm gonna have to wash it, so I'll do that. Puffer, shirt, keeping both of these.
Turn into the worst of that. Held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stain with colored dust. I'm shot from all your broken glass. Still wish I never.
We're most likely gonna sell this because I got it on the backdrop thing. Still have the dust bag. I just got rid of the tags like a dummy. I got it on like the security thing, bag secure thingy, and I had to wait for like a whole 6 months just to get it. It's so cute. It's just too big for me. I love this one. Doesn't hold anything, sadly. This is so cute. The little shopping bag. This, I like its size, but I wish it was a little bit bigger. Like it will fit at least like a phone. This one's medium. It is huge. Next are more tote bags. I recently just used this one and I just have water in it. This one's KTSR, one of my friends' brand. Little pouches I've been using. I love it. It's on the go. I haven't worn it ever since I got it. I got this drip disc. It's Elami, I believe. And it's so cute. I love it. Not really a lot of people have it. This is like an ostrich bag that my mom gave to me. I need to wear this a little bit more, but I love it. So, cute. Tory Burch. I love Tory Burch. Some people don't like it because it's like more boho. Here's a little hat. You guys, it is 1 a.m. I'm tired. But yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. There's gonna be a part 2, and like and subscribe, and make sure you guys go check out my Instagram. It's gonna be all linked down below, and I'm gonna see you guys in part 2, and love you guys. Peace.